This week, Conor McGregor flexes with the Million-Pound Rolls-Royce. Mick Foley walks away from a brutal car crash. Carl Lewis gears up for the Houston Art Car Parade. Rick Ross catches heat over his car and bike show. And Jerry Seinfeld surprises everyone with the rally-ready Subaru. And to close it out, we're introducing to you the crash of the week. Lock in and let's roll. This is Dub Weekly. Conor McGregor never wanted to do anything halfway, just added another heavyweight to his fleet, a fully customized Rolls-Royce Phantom 8 Diamond Edition. And this isn't just any Phantom. It's a rare one-off model, estimated to cost around 1 million pounds, or about $1.26 million in the US. The Diamond Edition packs a V12 engine under the hood, pure, effortless power, wrapped in what's basically a rolling mansion. Custom luxury touches everywhere, bespoke interiors, exclusive paintwork, and of course, that unmistakable Rolls-Royce presence. This car isn't about flexing speed, it's about flexing status. And because it's Conor, the story doesn't stop there. After showing off the new whip, he hopped on a jumbo private jet worth 38 million pounds to head to Dubai. He was on his way to promote the Bare Knuckle Fighting Championship, BKFC, where he recently became a co-owner. From fighting championships to phantom rides, Conor's life is full throttle. Whether you love him or you hate him, you can't deny the guy knows how to make an entrance. Hardcore legend Mick Foley, the man who took falls off the top of steel cages and just kept going.
Oh my God. Let's go, witness. He is broken in half.
He just survived another brutal battle, but this time it wasn't in the wrestling ring. Earlier this week, Mick was involved in a serious car accident that completely totaled his vehicle. He shared photos online showing the wreckage, and let me tell you, it looked bad. Twisted metal, shattered windows, the kind of crash you look at and wonder how anyone walked away from it. But somehow, Mick did. He said he suffered a concussion and some soreness, but considering how destroyed his car was, it could have been way worse. True to form, Mick was humble about it. He even joked around a little, saying he had no idea how he was still walking after that crash. Fans from around the world flooded his social media with well wishes, and even fellow wrestlers, guys who know a thing or two about pain, chimed in to show him some love. From Cactus Jack, Mankind, to Dude Love, Mick might need to take on a new persona. I'm going with the name Mick Miracle. 9-time Olympic gold medalist Carl Lewis is adding a brand new title to his legendary resume, Grand Marshal. He's set to lead the 2025 Houston Art Car Parade, one of the most iconic, creative, and flat-out fun car events in the country. The Houston Art Car Parade isn't your typical car show. Hundreds of rides, from lowriders to classics, completely transformed into rolling pieces of art. Some have sculptures bolted on, some are covered head to toe in murals, even plants. If you can dream it, you can drive it. The event is a huge deal for the city of Houston, drawing crowds of over 250,000 people every year. Carl Lewis, a Houston native and a world icon for speed and charisma, is the perfect fit to lead it. It's not just about cars, it's about culture, creativity, and community. And having someone like Carl Lewis out front ties it all together. Rick Ross, the biggest boss, is facing a new challenge. But this time, it's not in music or the car game. He's being sued over alleged accessibility issues at his 2023 Rick Ross car and bike show held at his estate in Georgia. According to the lawsuit, a wheelchair-bound attendee claimed that the event failed to meet ADA standards. Lack of wheelchair-accessible parking, routes, and viewing areas made it difficult for disabled fans to enjoy the event. The plaintiff is asking for damages and demands that future events comply with accessibility guidelines. When you're throwing big events, making sure everyone can be a part of the experience isn't just a legal thing, it's a respect thing. Rosé hasn't made a public statement yet, but knowing his brand, you can expect him to find a way to bounce back even bigger. When you think of Jerry Seinfeld and cars, you think vintage Porsches, million-dollar collectibles. But Jerry just pulled a move nobody expected. He owns a 2019 Subaru WRX STI S209. Only 209 units were ever made, and it's the most hardcore STI Subaru ever dropped in the US. Turbocharged 2.5-liter boxer engine, 341 horsepower, custom suspension tuning, loud, and built for drivers who want a full rally experience. For a guy known for smooth, refined classics, it's crazy to see him behind the wheel of something so aggressive. But it fits. Jerry's always chased pure driving joy, not just dollar signs. The S209 is rare, emotional, and built to be driven, not parked in a museum. Even if you've got a garage full of Porsches, sometimes you need to let your inner rally driver out. That's a wrap on this week's episode of Dub Weekly. But before we get out of here, we're gonna hit you with the crash of the week.